In this quick video, I'm going to show you a super easy and safe method to remove your resin 3D prints from the build plate without damaging it. Yup, no more scratches, no more forcing it with tools, and no more frustration. Now first things first, always wear gloves when handling anything related to resin. Even if the print looks fully cured, there might still be some uncured resin on it. So safety first, okay? Let's talk about the problem. Sometimes when the resin print is stuck to the build plate, it's really stuck. Even if you use the metal scraper that came with your printer, it's still hard to remove. And what happens? You start pushing harder and then boom, scratches all over your build plate. Not only does it ruin the surface, but it also makes future prints harder to stick evenly. But don't worry, I found a really simple trick that works like magic. You just need warm water, that's it. Take a water boiler or electric kettle. Boil some water, not too much, and don't overheat it. Around 2 to 3 minutes is fine. We just need warm water, now boiling hot. Now, take a container or tray where you can dip the build plate. Make sure it's big enough to fit the plate comfortably. If you're using the same kettle for kitchen use, I don't recommend using it for resin stuff. Try to keep a separate kettle just for your 3D printing tasks. Better to be safe and clean. Once your water is warm and ready, gently pour it over the back of the build plate, or even better, dip the entire build plate into the warm water. With the print facing up, just let it sit for a minute or so. Now here's the magic part. Once the plate is slightly warmed up, and the print will start to loosen. When you try to remove it now, it will either come off easily or fall off by itself. It's that simple. No tools, no scratches, and no risk of damaging your build surface. That's it for today's tip. If this video helped you, and please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick 3D printing tricks, tutorials, and reviews. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.